Hello students, welcome back to a class on Principle of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. In my previous discussions, I had highlighted about the importance of management, and now we know why management as a subject is important, not only in an organizational point of view, but also in our day-to-day lives. Therefore, from the above discussion, it can be concluded that management is an important part of an organization. It is a pivot for the smooth functioning of any organization. Proper management motivates employees to perform better, and as such, the level of productivity also improves and increases. So management provides a holistic approach for the all-round development of humans. And as a result of proper management, the productivity of the employees also increases, which in turn plays a significant role in the all-round development of an organization. Thank you very much.